So the indicators are not coming off the track right there. It's another nice straight on its way up towards Rockbury. So that's not bad now. Red Velvet is okay. Rockets a bit better. Yes, Crosby is a bit better. 2 minutes 1.217. He was marginally outside at Beckett. He is inside at Club Corner. The next telltale will be Aintree. He's heading toward Aintree. He goes through the village right under. He'll then go in toward the loop and then in toward Aintree. And that will tell us the story. He's heading in toward Aintree. How good is it for again the red though? It's good enough. It's good enough. This is going to be the fastest lap. This is going to better. It's 2 minutes 1.217. Is this the pole position lap coming our way for Jorge Lorenzo? He has it at the moment by 0.3 seconds. 3 1 seconds of
That's like supply for students. Road 2, 7 bars, number 6, 2 is 1.558. 26 Danny Pedrosa, 2 is 1.624. And 46 Valentino Rossi, 2 is 2.109. Road 3 will be number 4, Andrea Siciosa, 2 is 2.113. 69, Nicky Henry, 2 is 2. 2.289. And the fourth over the grid will be number 38, Bradley Smith, Jim is 2.409. 11, Colin Jim is 4.032. And hopefully, as he said, number 41, Alish Espagro, he will take that place on the grid. Fastest through the speed jump, yes, he's consistently fastest through the speed jump all weekend, yet again in that Q2. It has been the number 6 of 7 Grant has gone through at 326.2 kilometres per hour, or it translates into 202.7 miles an hour, fastest through the speed jump. 7 bars. Bautista went to just 1 kilometre per hour slower. Just under 290.7 kilometres per hour. Didn't ever think that we were going to see the record books not just beat the landing just at broad into the top around their cassette station. Mark Edwards showed us on a campaign that looked like the disaster with the capital D. We don't see his plan for today or his output today. There'll be something comment there, Larry, and now the win is not really out of the question.